Do you sometimes forget to lock your phone? What if your phone could lock itself right away when the screen turns off? Today I will show you how to turn on this setting on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, head into settings. Scroll down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Now tap on secure lock setting. Enter your current screen lock. Tap auto lock when screen turns off. And then select immediately. And that's it. Your phone will now lock as soon as the screen goes off. However, you have to remember that if you use extend unlock, for example, if your phone stays unlocked while wearing a Galaxy Watch, the setting will not work. So you have to turn off extend unlock if you want your phone to lock right away. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.